Noah's 3 sons. Noah had 3 sons. Shem, ancestor of the Semitic peoples, like the Hebrews, Arabs, Assyrians, etc. From his line came Abraham, and ultimately Jesus, according to biblical genealogy. Ham, ancestor of various peoples in Africa and parts of the Middle East. His sons included Cush, Ethiopia, Sudan, Mizraim, Egypt, Put, Libya, and Canaan. The Canaanites, who later inhabited the Promised Land, came from Ham. Japheth, considered the ancestor of peoples in Europe and parts of Asia. His descendants spread out over the coastlands of the nations. The Table of Nations, Genesis to 10. Genesis 10 is sometimes called the Table of Nations because it lists the descendants of Noah's sons and shows how the world was repopulated after the flood. The curse of Canaan. After the flood, there's a moment where Noah becomes drunk, and Ham sees his father's nakedness. When Noah wakes up and finds out, he curses Canaan, Ham's son, saying he would be a servant to his brothers. Genesis 9:20-27. This passage has been interpreted in many ways, but it's key to understanding some later biblical rivalries, especially between the Israelites and the Canaanites.